In prior years, you may have filled out a paper organizer that looked like this and either mailed in or dropped off a copy of your tax documents. You may have used the client portal on our website to upload your documents securely. This year, there is a convenient way to fill out an organizer online, which will help you get your documents together and then upload them securely directly in the same place. This is called Intuit Link. Please let us know if you are interested in receiving an invitation to use Intuit Link. Also note, this is an organizer for individual tax returns. It is not for business tax returns. So please let us know if you have any questions about what we need to prepare your business tax returns. By default, the invite will be sent to the taxpayer's email on the return. If you would prefer for the invite to be emailed to the spouse's email, please let us know. I'm going to walk you through how to use Intuit Link as if I were doing my own personal tax return. I have received an invitation from Anderson Bradshaw to Intuit Link. Once you accept the invitation, it will take you to the Intuit Link website. I have grayed this out for personal information reasons, but it asks you for an email, your phone number, and password. Make sure that the email you use is the same one that received the invitation. If you try to create an account and it notifies you that you already have an Intuit account, perhaps you've created one for one of their other products like QuickBooks or TurboTax. Simply log in using that same account. You may need to reset the password if you have forgotten it. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions on this. Make sure that you save your login information so that you may return to the Intuit Link website and log in again in the future. Here's the landing page. Let's get started. The first step is to complete the engagement letter. Please read through and review our terms for our preparation of your tax return. When you finish, you'll need to type your name as an e-signature and hit accept. Next, it will take you through a questionnaire. Please go through and answer each question. You may type an explanation if additional information is needed. You may skip a question if you are unsure and need to return to it later. You may also view the questions in list form. It puts a green check mark next to the ones that have been answered. There is a place on each question to upload additional documents if you desire. You may also wait until you have finished the questionnaire and upload all your documents later. There will be a place for this. Let's say I need to log out and finish later. To return to Intuit Link, you can simply search it in your favorite search engine. It should be one of the first ones to pop up. Now I've logged back in, and this is what it shows as my home page. I can continue on with my to-do list, which will take me back to the questionnaire. Okay, I've gone ahead and answered most of the questions on my questionnaire, except for the last few. And you can see that my to-do list is now much smaller. The last questions will not ask for a yes or no, but simply for a document. This is one place where we can upload our tax documents. With W-2s, there are a couple of options. Intuit can search your W-2 in their database if you can provide your employer's EIN and your Box 1 W-2 income. If that isn't easy for you, don't worry. We can upload it directly from our computer. I've got my W-2 saved in my documents file, and I know right where it is. So I can go ahead and open it from here. Perfect. Now it shows this task as complete. Intuit can provide a similar service for 1099 interest forms from your bank. If you would like for them to look it up, you can ask them to get it for you. Type in your bank account, and it will ask you to log in just as if you were logging into your bank website. So you'll enter your same account number and password. If you don't like to do it that way, you can also upload a copy directly from your computer, just like we did with the W-2. You may be asked to upload a document that you no longer have because it only applied in prior tax years. For example, in 2022, we had delivery driving income, but in 2023, this is no longer applicable. So I'll just let the company know. You may come across a document that you don't have yet. That's okay. Simply log out and sign back in later when you do have it. It will be sitting here on your to-do list. Please do not say that you are waiting for this document. If you do that, it will show that this task is complete, and that is not the case. So let's leave these blank. And I clearly still have one more to-do list item. You may encounter one other issue. Perhaps you have answered all the questions on the questionnaire, and you still have tax documents that have not yet been uploaded. That is okay. Let's go to the Documents tab. This will show the list of documents you have uploaded. You can also add more documents here. Awesome. Now that I've completed my entire to-do list on Intuit Link, Anderson Bradshaw was able to prepare my tax return. I let them know that I wanted a copy of my tax return uploaded here to Intuit Link. Now we can find that here on the Documents tab. It will show up right here under the From Anderson Bradshaw section. I can download it and see a copy. If you've used Intuit Link in prior tax years, you will be able to still access those documents, as well as any returns that we've uploaded for you. Please let us know if you have any questions working with Intuit Link.